Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another unboxing video. I'm very happy today because it's been a couple of days since I picked these up and I still haven't unboxed them. So I'll be showing you what I got from Chanel's Spring Summer collection, Spring Summer 2020 collection. So if you're interested, I have some amazing little gems. So if you're interested, keep watching. Oh, I also got myself a new handbag and it is a new style in my collection. I've never had one of these and I can't wait to show you. It is amazing and it is my early birthday gift, so can't wait to unbox. Let's get started. Before I start with the Chanel unboxing, I wanted to quickly mention that today's video is kindly sponsored by Lilly Silk. They sent me some new goodies and I can't wait to show you them because I love them. You know guys that I've been working with Lilly Silk for quite some time. I love their pieces. So many of you have actually sent me pictures of your purchases from Lilly Silk. I'm so happy that you guys love Lilly Silk as well. I love the quality of their clothes and the prices are really good. They always have discounts. I have a promo code. I'll leave all the info here and down below, so make sure you check the description box. Everything will be linked as always. I really love the quality of Lilly Silk clothes. I love their silk pieces. As you guys know, silk has so many good benefits for you, for your skin. It is not as abrasive as cotton. It's very gentle to your skin. I also sleep on silk pillowcases because they're good for my skin and my hair, my lashes. I also love their knitwear and their cashmere range. So today I wanted to show you 3 pieces that I picked up. I picked up another one of their cashmere sweaters. You know that I have another one of these in a similar color that I can't tell you how many times I've worn already. So I picked another one of them in a slightly more beigey color, so I'll show you both. I'll try them on both and show you. Their cashmere is so luxurious and it is also very affordable, so definitely check it out. I also got this, which I'm planning to wear as a poncho, so you'll see it's a huge shawl, so you'll see that later when I style them together. I actually think this is my favorite piece because you can wear it in 2 different ways. You can wear it as a scarf and as a poncho, so it will be good for the transitional period. It is also neutral colors and it has 2 sides, so you can either wear it on the darker side or the light beige side. I think it will keep me very warm. It is very soft, so I love that one. I also picked up something new that I haven't tried from Lilly Silk yet, one of their jackets. I got this beautiful black blazer, very classic blazer, and guys, it fits so amazing. I can't wait for the weather to get a bit warmer in the UK so I can start wearing it. You know that I love blazers. I live in blazers and they are my go-to outfit. I got mine in size medium. It fits a bit relaxed, but you'll see it a bit later as well when I style them. Alright guys, let's get started with this Chanel unboxing. I'm sure many of you can't wait. So I will start with this little baggie. There are 2 items inside. I picked up something small and it is a costume jewelry piece. Sorry, that was my computer. If you heard this little beep noise, that was my computer. I think I got a notification. Anyway, so this is the first piece that I got. I can't wait to show you. It is amazing. And when I tell you the price, you won't believe it. I picked up these beautiful dangly earrings with crystals. So if you've watched my Chanel collection video or if you have been following me for a while, you know that I have a very similar pair. But these have crystals, so I thought they look really nice. They look so beautiful and I decided to pick them up. So when I saw these, I thought the price will be something like £600–700 because that's how much normally these kind of Chanel earrings cost. And when I saw the price, I was like, I need them. They're £350 only, and I thought it's a really good price. I know they're costume jewelry, but considering how expensive Chanel costume jewelry is, this is a really good price. Let me put them on so I can complete my look and show you how they look on as well. Alright, so these are them. These are the beautiful earrings. How nice. They're gold and I think they look so delicate and so beautiful. I'll show you them up close so you can see the detail, but to me, when you put them on the ear, They look so beautiful, and the little crystals, the little round crystals, look like little droplets of water, or like droplets of crystals. They look so amazing. These are not clip-ons, they're like a normal pair of earrings with a little stud at the back, and they're very lightweight. I know many of you will ask, they're very lightweight. Okay guys, the big purchase, the handbag, my pre-birthday gift. Let's see how many of you will guess if you've watched my video, my vlog. By the way, yes, there is a Chanel shopping vlog. I took you shopping with me, so you can see the rest of the collection. If you haven't watched the video, of course I'll link it up here, so you can go check it out. But it will be linked down below as well if you want to check it out after you finish watching this video. So this is the box. As you can see, it's a small box, so it is a small bag. Okay, so I'll go back a little bit so you can see it better. The sticker. Okay, I'll try to be a bit more careful with this one. Normally I'll just rip it, but I'll try to be a bit more gentle. Okay. And, oh my god, there is another sticker. Are you joking? Hold on. Okay, sticker number 2 is off. And then my little baby. Guys. Oh my god, more stickers. Okay, let's do this quickly. I'm gonna rip these because I don't care about these that much, so I'll just rip them off. And da, 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 da. How cute! This is it. This is my new mini rectangular flap in dark grey lambskin in the quilting with champagne gold hardware. Alright, so this is my new baby. This is the newest member to the handbag family. And let me remove the sticker on the hardware. It is so cute. I can't, guys. It is so adorable. The color is perfection. This shade of grey I haven't seen from Chanel. I think they've done something very similar years ago. They had a darker grey color, but it wasn't the same shade of grey. This to me is such a perfect shade of grey. It is so beautiful, very unique. I don't have a mini Chanel flap bag, and I really wanted one because I only have the jumbo, which is like the classic style, and that one is very big, so I wanted something smaller for every day. And this is perfect. This is not a classic. When you go to the Chanel website, you can see that the only classics are the Chanel Maxi, Chanel Jumbo double flap, the small and medium. They're all double flaps and they're considered classics. This is a classic shape, but it's not considered classic. So because of that, the price is also a bit lower. So if you decide to go a size up and go for the Chanel classic double flap in the small, that one will cost you £4,000, I think £4,050 if I'm not wrong. I'll double check the prices. This mini rectangular flap is 2,700 or 2,750, I can't remember exactly. Again, I'll leave the price on the screen or down below in the description box. I know it's a lot of money for a mini bag. This bag 3 years ago, only 3 years ago, was £1,800. I know. I should have bought all the colours in this mini size 3 years ago, but anyway, they keep going up in price. So if you're interested in a rectangular mini and if you want to add one in your collection, I would advise you to do it as soon as you can, because Chanel keeps increasing their prices. So as you can see, my precious little baby is in the lambskin. Yes, of course, I'm a bit worried because I know how delicate lambskin is, and especially Chanel lambskin, because it is buttery soft. It feels so luxurious. I don't think I would ever buy lambskin in the classic flap, double flap style. However, I thought this is a mini bag, so it will be easier to look after. I will mainly wear it crossbody, so it will be, I think, safe that way. But again, I have to be a bit more careful. Let me quickly open it inside. As you can see, it is a single flap. It has tissue paper inside, and it has a zipper at the back. And on the back it has the little back pocket, as all Chanel flat bags. The length of the strap is perfect on me because I'm quite tall. I'm 171 centimeters, 5'6", about 5'6". So this sits really nicely on me when I crossbody it. I can also wear it on one shoulder. I will film some modeling shots so you can see how it looks on me and how I can wear it. The hardware is beautiful. This shade of grey, champagne gold, looks really beautiful. I'm really happy that I picked this baby in this color because it is such a beautiful neutral color and it will be so easy to style. Okay, so last we have another big bag. I decided to leave the little baby there so you can look at it. It's so beautiful. I might get distracted because I can see it in the viewfinder, so if I look that way, it's because I'm staring at the bag. Okay, so here we go, last purchase. Big bag. This was the last item that I bought. At the end I was like, I'll go for it. I really like it. So this is a big splurge. It is a pair of shoes. If you've watched the video, you know which ones. I wasn't sure if I wanted to spend that much on a pair of shoes, summer shoes. I just knew I was gonna regret not getting them, and I saw these were selling like hot bread. Do you guys have that expression in English? We have it in Bulgarian. So they were selling very fast. These were the last ones available. They took them off the mannequin, so I got them. This is the receipt. I'll tell you why I decided to buy them at the end. I'll tell you in a bit. Let's just unbox them. So there's bags, care, booklets, and we have these babies. Oh my god, that smell of brand new shoes and leather. Okay, these are the shoes. These are the beautiful sandals. These were on the runway. If you've watched the show, many of the models were wearing these, and I was eyeing them since I've watched that runway show, and I even mentioned these in my wishlist video. I don't know guys if you've watched it, I will also link it up here, but these were on my 2020 wishlist. I think they're absolutely stunning. There was also a pair of flats that was on my wishlist, but they didn't receive those in grey. I wanted the grey ones to match with my new bag. You saw that I tried a pair of espadrilles, grey espadrilles. I didn't buy them, but I'm still thinking about buying them. I think they're beautiful. I was just waiting to see if they will receive the flats. But yeah, I ended up buying these. I think they're absolutely stunning. They're very true to size. I got them in my normal 38, which is UK size 5. The height of the heel is perfection. Look how beautiful. It is not too small, not too high. I can't wear very high heels, so this is perfect for me. Very comfortable for summer, in those hot summer days when you don't really want to wear very high heels and you want to be comfortable. These are perfect. I can't wait. I'm very excited to wear them. At first, when I saw the price, I was like, £1,050 for sandals, I'm not sure. But when I tried them on and I saw how they looked on, I thought they were absolutely beautiful and I had to buy them. I don't really have a open sandal for summer. We don't really get much summer in the UK, but when it gets really hot, I mainly have Chanel ballerinas and espadrilles and slides, but I don't have a beautiful summer sandal, so I decided that I needed them and I got them. Also, I justified the price because I can wear these with tights, and this is how the models wore them on the runway, and I think they still look very beautiful with black tights on. Also, do you guys remember in my last big Chanel unboxing from the Chanel Spring Summer pre-collection that I did, was it a month ago? I believe it was a month ago. I'll link it up here again if you haven't watched it. I unboxed a pair of earrings. I will show you a close-up. I'll insert a clip and show you a close-up of the two. The earrings that I got from the pre-collection are exactly the same as the detail on the sandal. So they're silver with the beautiful crystals and have this star detail. So yeah, I couldn't resist at the end and I bought them. They're very beautiful. They're satin and they have all these little cute CCs on them. The price was, as I mentioned, okay, so £1,040, not 1,050, I think I said 1,050. But because I'm a Harrods Black Tier member, I can redeem my Harrods points into cash whenever I want. I don't have to wait. If you're not a Black Tier member, this is the highest tier that they have. You can't redeem them whenever you want, but I can. So that's what I did, and I saved up quite a lot of money. So that was another reason that I was like, okay, I'm gonna get them. Alright guys, that's all. These are all my purchases. You can see them over here, the earrings, the bag and the sandals. Let me know which one was your favorite item that I bought. Let me know if you managed to get anything from the new collection. What did you buy? There will be a very exciting video coming up on my channel very soon, so don't forget to subscribe. I'll be showing you and trying on the hottest bags to have for 2020, and I'll show you some more amazing Chanel pieces to have from the new collection. Some of the bags with the matte hardware, the bags with the adjustable straps. I didn't show you those in the video, but I have clips of them and I can show you how they look on me, so I'll be showing you them up close. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where you can see how I style my new purchases, my daily outfits. So if you're interested, come say hello on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope this video was a little distraction from what's going on, but please stay safe, stay strong, be kind, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.